Hi everyone, this is Nurse Katsume Priscilla and I'm going to walk you through the following procedures: hand washing, glove donning, waste segregation, damp dusting, equipment decontamination and sterilization packaging, presented by Group E. So we are going to begin with hand washing by Nurse Julia. Before you begin washing your hands, make sure you have no jewelry on and make sure your clothes are above your elbows. Wet your hands till the elbow, wet them thoroughly, and apply enough soap to cover all surfaces of the hand. This soap will loosen dirt, oils, and microorganisms, making it easier to remove them from the skin. Rub your palms together thoroughly, and then you rub the palm of one hand over the back of the other hand with your fingers interlaced. Then repeat on the opposite hand. Then rub the back of your fingers against the opposite palms with the fingers interlocked. This removes dirt and microorganisms from the knuckles and finger joints. Then rotate each thumb within the opposite palm and rub the fingertips against the opposite palm using a circular motion. Then rub from the wrist to the elbow in a circular motion, making sure to move in one direction. Then rinse your hands thoroughly under running water, maintaining the hand above the elbow to maintain sterility. Dry your hands completely using a sterile towel, ensuring that the towel is moved in one direction from the hand to the elbow. The same is done with the other hand using the opposite face of the towel. After drying your hands, you can use the towel to close the tap, or you can use the elbow to close the tap. Up next is glove donning by Nurse Susan. First, check for the glove size and expiry date. From the tear off section, open the glove and without touching anything inside, drop the sterile pack onto the sterile field. Then perform proper hand hygiene thoroughly and allow your hands to dry completely. Using your non-dominant hand, grasp the folded cuff of the glove for your dominant hand and only touch the inside surface. Insert your dominant hand into the glove and pull it on gently. Avoid touching the outside surface of the glove to maintain sterility. Using the gloved hand, touch the outside of the other glove for your non-dominant hand and glove. After donning, maintain your hands above waist level and in front of your body to maintain sterility. Up next is waste segregation by Nurse Enoch. And for waste segregation, we have 4 different types of bins. First, we have the black bin. And for the black bin, it's used for general or non-hazardous waste, for example, paper, food. Second, we have the brown bin. The brown bin is used for pharmaceutical wastes, for example, expired drugs. Then we have the red bin, which is used for highly infectious waste that requires special handling. This may include swabs and catheters. Then we have the sharps box, which is used for sharps, for example, needles, syringes, blades. During waste segregation, make sure to have on your personal protective equipment. For example, gumboots, gloves, apron. Up next is damp dusting by Nurse Daniel and Barbara. For damp dusting, make sure to have your personal protective equipment like the apron, mask, and gloves. For the first step, draw back the trolleys, the beds, tables, chairs from the walls and open the windows. For damp dusting, you need soapy water, clean water, and 3 flannels. When cleaning the table, use soapy water. From the farthest to the nearest, and dry using clean water, still from the farthest to the nearest. And then repeat until the full table is entirely clean. For the trolley, we use a damp duster, cleaning from the farthest to the nearest to maintain sterility of the trolley. Up next is decontamination by Nurse Delia. During decontamination, we use a 4-bucket system, with the first bucket containing soapy water, the second one containing clean water, the third one containing 0.5% solution of chlorine, and the fourth one containing clean water. During decontamination of instruments, we dip the instruments in the 0.5 chlorine water for 10 minutes to completely kill the germs. Up next is sterile packaging by Nurse Oliver and Sharifa. Before sterile packaging, observe infection prevention and control practices. Then gather all equipment to be sterilized on the wrapping material. Ensure they are well spaced for proper air circulation. Hold the corner of the wrapping material and fold the pack as shown. Then proceed to tie the pack as shown. Inspect the drums, then place the pack in the drums and label the drums.
Guys, thank you for listening. Bye bye.